open a new Lego box and I put a hole because I was too excited and I could not wait to open. So now let's open it since I've reached home. Whoa, those are a lot of parts. Whoa, I just pulled out 2 parts. Now let's open some more. Whoa, what is this, guys? We found the instruction book. And I think this is the parts to some cars and other parts of some other things. Whoa, I think I pulled out. What is this? Pulled out a nice flat piece. Oh, things are coming out magically. Whoa, I found more card pieces. Look. Whoa, I found more car pieces and some more other stuff. I found the rings of the car. Oh, there's one more. It's some of leaves and a Lego head. Look, over there it's a head. Oh. Now the box is empty. Let's arrange everything. I got 6 packets and 2 of these parts and the instruction manual. There are 2 robbers over here and a big police station. She's in disguise. That's the one over here. It's given on the back of the box. It's this girl here. She's handcuffed. So now I'm going to try to build this full thing. So let's do it. If you follow the instructions, it is very easy. Okay guys, I'm finally done building my Lego city. It looks very good and I love it. It took me many days. I even changed my clothes. Did you notice about that? Even my hair grew. If you want to order these Legos, you can find a link in the description below. You can order your set and play with it like me. And if you did not subscribe to my channel, subscribe now and press that like and press that bell icon. I'll see you later. And now I'll play with my Legos. Bye everybody.